Hi, welcome to DIY Anyone. This is Jen Bueller. I am showing you something that I've never done before. I ordered a crate and I thought I would kind of view of it. It was something that I saw while I was watching a YouTube channel, one of those ads, and it caught me and I'm like, all right, let's give it a try. So I got the one from the UK and I'm going to just kind of show you what we got, and I'm going to tell you because we did a taste test with my family. There was 5 of us that tried stuff. And here's when you open the box, and it has the UK, a little bit inside about just what about the United Kingdom, you know, what it involves, what countries it is, and so forth, little history. And then it has the pictures of each item and a descriptor, and I'm not going to read those. I'm just going to give you my personal idea of those, but it does tell you kind of what's in them. All right. And then I have to tell you, I'm not sure if I'm going to, so it says these snacks are expired. What it means is it's just telling you that there's a different way that the UK puts their dates so that you know it's really not expired if you happen to look at the dates. All right, so these Walkers, we call them chips, Worcester. They do taste like Worcestershire sauce. They're pretty yummy. They're not regular, we call them chips, they call them thins. These Monster Munch things, they're weird. Can't say that I really was a fan of that. So apparently this Irn-Bru is an orange drink. I did try it. It tastes like an orange soda, but apparently in the UK this sells more than Coke or any of those kind of products. And it was orange. Okay, these Frazzles, these bacon things, they were good. They kind of look like dog treats, not gonna lie, but they were yummy. Okay, these prawn cocktail things, they were like little thin. They were gross, and I like shrimp. Okay, the double decker, I think in a bit here we're gonna open some of these others so you can see. The chips I didn't end up opening. Jaffa Cakes, that's the chocolate with the orange inside. You gotta really like chocolate and orange to like these. All right, this thing, I can't wait till you see the inside of this. It's totally gross. You gotta like black licorice. Oh, there's all the puppies. There's Penny, Maverick, and then Porter, he's our other grand dog that's with us now. And the Crunchy Bar. And then this fudge thing was yummy. This is like a, I'm trying to remember what it reminds me of. Excuse me, sorry. I'll let you know when we open it up. Furly Whirly. That was like a Twix bar, all caramel and chocolate though. These Millions. These were little strawberry things with chewy inside. They were delicious. Of course, I like that kind of crap. And this is a chewy, it says it has a chewy center, but it's a chewy little, orange or cherry thing. Okay, this is a double decker, so it has like that nougat and then the crunch in it. The double decker was bomb. I mean, we wolfed that right down. That was delish. Love that. And it was by Cadbury, and we know Cadbury's good. The sherbet thing, okay, you got to see. This is my daughter Lauren who is modeling this. So you open this up, there's a piece of black licorice inside like a pixie stick kind of thing. So if you like black licorice, you're going to love it. But I was like, yeah, no thank you. Yeah, no good. Didn't like it. Curly Whirly, when you open that up, that was the chocolate and the caramel. Wait till she opens it up, you'll see. And it was gone in a minute. It was really good. I'm not sure why it looks like a ladder, but it does. It's kind of fun. The next thing up, oh yeah, there she goes. She's showing you the caramel. Oh yeah, good caramel. The Jaffa Cakes, again, if you like orange and chocolate, you may like it, but it had this orange stuff. I'm not a fan of that. So these to me were gross. Nobody really liked them, even those in my family who like chocolate and orange. But hey, to each his own. So it was kind of fun. Let me know what you think. And let me know and it was not sponsored, by the way. Nobody sponsored this. Just so you know, just thought it'd be fun and hope to see you again soon. Push that like button, push that bell, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.